Hi folks, and welcome back to John Caudry Music. If you're new here, I'm John and I regularly post ukulele tutorials here on YouTube for players of all different abilities. Most people, when first learning the ukulele, start out with strumming a few chords. And the first chords we generally learn are the three major chords in the key of C major. I've already made a tutorial on this, which I'll link to in the card above and the video description below. These chords are C major, F major and G major, or maybe G7 instead, depending on who's teaching. G7 is basically the same as a G major chord, but with an extra note added to it that can make it a more useful and functional chord, depending on the type of music that you're playing. I've also made a tutorial on the difference between G and G7 and why some tutors will differ on which of these chords they teach first. I'll also link to that in the card above and the video description below. So with just these 3 or 4 chords, we have the opportunity of playing literally hundreds of songs. But by adding what are known as the secondary chords, or the 3 minor chords in the key, we open up the opportunity to play hundreds more. So let's look at these 3 minor chords and some common chord progressions and songs that use them along with the 3 major chords we know already. For the sake of this tutorial, all chord and song examples will be in the key of C major. Many of the original song recordings are in different keys. The first and most common minor chord in the key of C is the A minor chord. A nice simple 1-finger chord where we place a finger, generally either our index or our middle finger, at the 2nd fret of the string nearest our face, leaving the other 3 strings unfretted, and then strum across all 4 strings. In the diagram shown, it's suggesting that we use our 2nd or middle finger, but this is completely optional and may well depend on which chord we're playing next. So firstly, get comfortable with playing this chord. And then next we'll have a look at adding it to our 3 major chords in a chord sequence or progression. Now, a very common 4-chord sequence or progression is C, A minor, F and G7. Or a G would work as well. And if we loop these 3 chords around, playing just 2 down strums on each chord, like so, we get what is often referred to as the 50s progression, or the doo-wop progression, which was commonly used in the 1950s as it suggests, but is also used to the present day. So, some song examples. Blue moon, you saw me standing alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. Or dream, 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 dream. Or if we stay on each chord for a bit longer, playing 8 down strums or 2 bars for each chord. I like to be under the sea, in an octopus's garden in the shade. Or la 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 la. Now, another, perhaps more modern chord progression using the same 4 chords would be C, G, A minor, and F. So still saying on 8 down strums or 2 bars for each chord, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I or with just one bar per chord. Can you feel the love tonight? Or take on me, take on me. The second most common of the minor chords in the key of C is the D minor chord. This is obviously a little harder to fret than the A minor, as we would generally use 3 fingers to fret this chord. And the way I think about building this chord is to fret your usual F chord with your index finger at the first fret of the E string, the second string from the floor, and your second or middle finger fretting the string nearest your face at the second fret. And then if you tuck your ring finger underneath your middle finger on the third string from the floor at the second fret, you'll have your D minor chord. So let's try this very common chord progression using a C, a D minor, a G7, and a C again. I'm sad to say I'm on my way, won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the hills that we climbed just were seasons out of time. As they are closely related, sometimes the D minor chord can be used to replace the F chord. And a good example of this is with the 50s chord progression that we looked at earlier, where we had the chords C, A minor, F, and G7. And here we can swap out the F for D minor, leaving us with C, A minor, D minor, G7. Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me. And you'll also find D minor, G7 and C as the final 3 chords of a song or a longer chord progression, especially in many jazz standards. The third and probably least common of the minor chords in the key of C is E minor. And this again is generally a 3-finger chord that looks like a little staircase with our index finger at the second fret of the string nearest the floor, our middle finger at the third fret of the second string from the floor, and our ring finger at the fourth fret of the third string from the floor. This is also probably the hardest of the 3 minor chords to play, as it's the first one that moves out of the first 3 frets of our ukulele, and it often means that we need to place our thumb differently on the neck of the ukulele. Now, I've actually made a detailed tutorial just on how to play this chord with some different fretting options in it, and I've linked to this in the card above and the video description below. So one example of a song that would use the E minor chord in the key of C would be Adele's Someone Like You, where we would have the chord sequence C, E minor, A minor, and F. I heard that you'd settled down, that you'd found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. And another well-known ukulele song in the key of C that uses the E minor chord a lot is Somewhere Over the Rainbow, What a Wonderful World by Israel Kamakaviva Orle. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the And finally, an example of a song that uses all three major and all three minor chords in the key of C is Count on Me by Bruno Mars. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. So these songs are examples of just a few of the common chord progressions in the key of C using both the major and the minor chords. Generally, playing any of these 6 chords together in any order will sound okay, as they're all from the same key. So please feel free to experiment and try them in different orders to come up with your own chord progressions. And this is literally how most people will start out writing their own songs. So now you have the 3 minor chords in the key of C major to add to your 3 major chords, and also some new chord progressions and songs to try on your ukulele. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. If you'd like to support my work here on YouTube, feel free to buy me a coffee. See how to do so in the video description below. Or alternatively, join me over at my Patreon site, where all my tutorials and their accompanying PDFs can be found in one place. The link for this can also be found in the video description below. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.